How to create a template for Wix.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to create your own template, edit it by your own and make all you want. So guys, it's really easy to do. In fact, it's going to last you only 5 minutes of your time, and I'm going to quickly show how to do it. So the first step you need to do is to sign up or log in into the Wix.com. As you can see, I have already my new account. I have already made couple of websites, and the next step you are going to do is to click on create new site. And Wix.com is going to offer you their AI chat, but we are not going to use it today, so just click on setup without chat. So the next step is you need to choose what type of website do you want to create, but we are going to create our own template. This thing is going to show you the best suited templates, so we don't really need to type in right here. So just click on skip on a small button right here. So just skip this thing and prepare your dashboard. Okay, so our dashboard is ready. Next thing is we're going to create a name for our website. I'm going to name it a clock shop. Okay, so pretty easy name just for an example. And what are your goals for this site? So you need to type here what are you going to do, whether you're going to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, display creative work, build a community, promote a business, promote myself, or just explore. So I'm going, it's a clock shop, so I'm going to sell products there. Just click continue. Now it's going to offer you the Wix apps. They have a variety of apps that are ready to use, but I'm going to skip it for right now because we don't really need it in our example. So just click on skip. Okay, we are all set. Click on continue to dashboard and we are ready to create our own template. So how to do it is you need to firstly click on design your website. So just click here and it's going to load the entrance page. So how would you like to design your website? You need to click on customize a template. So I'm going to show you what to do next. So here you see a variety of different templates that are already made and created for simply the shop, the online shops. So most popular website templates for a shop, but we don't really need them. All you need to do is to click on here on the blank templates. So it's going to show you the blank website template. So here you have a variety from what to choose. If you want to start from scratch, here it is. It's called start from scratch. It's a empty page, blank page with almost nothing in it. So here you can always see the minimal layout, classic layout, one page layout. So I would prefer to not to choose start from scratch because it's not really easy to create everything by yourself, because there are you need to create images by yourself, the scale and the opacity of them you need to choose by yourself. So in order not to cost a lot of time, so just pick a layout that is going to suit you. So there is a plenty of layout, as I already started to tell you: a minimal layout, classic layout, one page, strip header, gallery, showcase, split screen, overlapping. So in order to choose the best suit layout, you need to think of what site are you creating. So I'm creating a shop, a clock shop. So I'm going to choose, I want to choose between the gallery layout and the classic layout, but I think the classic one will suit more. Okay, so I just click on edit and it's going to load the editors page. that we are going to use. So right now I'm going to show you how to quickly edit this website. It's really easy to do, so just wait a bit. Okay, so here we have a layout. We didn't start from scratch, as you have understood. We have welcome to Cloak Shop title. So here here is the home page of your website, and every page is divided into the sections. So you can see the header and the footer of your website right here, and every page is divided into the main section. So here we can see only 2 sections. If you need more sections to create, just click between them in the gap. Here will be a point, click add section, and it's going to show you what section can you add. So for example, I would like to add a shop section. So the store, it is connected to the app that called Wix Stores, and all we need to do is to click on add Wix Stores. It's going to quickly add our store in it. We just need to wait a bit. Okay, so as you can see, we have already a shop sign and the special cart icon, that if the person is trying to buy something, he's going to have a cart, and here will be all their buying. So as you can see, the shop has been added into our website as a main section. All we need to do is to zoom out to see it correctly. So as you can see, this section have deleted all every other section. As I have told you, you just need to add some couple of sections right here. So welcome section, for example, zoom out, and for example, I would like to create a grow your vision section. So, and then a shop. Okay guys, so I hope this tutorial have helped you how to create a shop from scratch. So I didn't tell you about the elements, but everything is pretty easy. You just see here all the elements, what you can add. It can be a text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and anchor, contact and form. So all you need to add is right here. So you can see all the sections in the second thing, all your pages in the first. So it's all you really need to do. When you are ready, just click here on publish, no, firstly on save, and then on publish, and you're ready to go. Okay guys, so thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.